Hello everyone, hello my lovelies, hello my darlings, hello beautiful people out there. Welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing my beautiful face for the first time, you're most welcome. My name is Rosemary Alexandra Mary, the result-oriented lady. On this channel we talk about self-love, self-care, self-appreciation, self-admiration, self-worth, self-value, self-forgiveness, and self-anything good. Yeah. Today's topic is quite an interesting one, as I will be sharing, I'm going to be sharing tips on how to save some money. Save some money. So if you're still very new, you know the drill. You know how we do on this channel. Please go ahead and, click the subscribe button. Like, okay, now the drill is over. Let's get to business, people. Business. All right, like I said earlier, today's topic is quite an interesting one. I'll be sharing with you tips on how to save some money. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing tips that worked and still working for me. Okay? Tip number one on how to save some money. Because we really need to know how to save money. It's not all about spending. So tip number one on how to save some money. First, set a goal. Your goal could be long time or short term. Set a goal. For a long time, for example, you're trying to get yourself a house, a car. You want to pay outrightly for the car. Save up some money for your down payment for the house. Just set a goal. That would be like a guideline. It's going to guide you into you remembering, I want to do this. I want to do that. I'm not, just like a guideline. When you set a goal, serves as your guideline. Tip number two on how to save money. I'll say use cash only, as to using your credit or debit card. That one is so easy to swipe every now and then. But when you have cash in your wallet or in your purse and you're always opening it to pay, to make purchase, you realize that you're just spending. Nothing is going into your wallet. Nothing goes back into your wallet. You just keep paying. And at the end of the day, you realize, oh, I just left the house with $100 bills or $50 bills and nothing is left. So that will kind of make you to be on the alert, if I can use that word. When you spend cash, it reduces the way you spend, because you will be mindful that I'm just taking out money. Money is not coming back to my account. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but it definitely works. When you use cash only, when you spend cash only, no credit card, no debit card, swiping, it saves you some money. Tip number three on how to save money that has worked and is still working for more. Calculate the cost per hour. If, for example, I'm earning $20 per hour and the dress costs $100, first question that comes to my mind is this dress worth 5 hours of my standing working? You see, when you calculate it, that doesn't mean you won't give yourself a treat, no, but it kind of balances it up for you. Is it worth it? You know the answer right there and then. If not, you get something nicer that is lesser. You don't have to spend much before you look good. You don't have to break a bank before you look good. So tip number three on how to save money is to calculate the cost of the item you're getting or you're purchasing per hour. All right? All right. If you're finding this so interesting, so informative, please go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell and also give me some of this. All right. Tip number four on how to save money. Start small. No matter how little, start small. Don't say, oh, I only have a quarter. Start little. If you can form the habit of emptying your pocket every day, the quarters, the coins into a jar, the notes, the dollar bills, somewhere like a piggy bank. If you can have a piggy bank in your room or in your house, just form the habit of every day you drop $5 or $1 depending. And you don't need to earn more before you start saving. Because I see people telling me, oh, Rosemary, it's easier for you. No. It's an habit I have formed long ago, and it's working for me. As a matter of fact, when you save and you cultivate the habit of saving, it becomes part of you. When you make it becomes part of you, you find out that you are gradually becoming financial disciplined. And when you're financially disciplined, you're a step to becoming financially independent. And you know what that means? When you finally become financially independent, it means you can easily retire early without stressing or bothering anyone. So it's all about you cultivating the habit of saving. Yeah, it doesn't have to do with earning more or earning less. Whether you earn more or less, if you don't have the habit, you will still be like, I can save. Yeah. All right. Tip number 5 on how to save money is you create a budget. Make sure you stick to your budget. Don't go higher. Even when you get a raise at work, even when your salary is increased, stick to your budget. Do not, please, I beg you, go higher than your budget. When you create a budget, it's also a guideline into helping you to save. So tip number 6 on how to save money that has been helping and still helping me, and I decided to share with you, is spend wisely. You'll be like, I thought she's talking about savings. Now she's saying we should spend wisely. Yeah, your saving doesn't mean you're not going to spend, but be wise about your spending. That is where your scale of preference comes in. That is where you differentiate between your wants and your needs. Okay, do I need this or do I want this? So have a scale of preference. It helps you to spend wisely. All right. I hope you're enjoying it. Like I said earlier, it's an interesting topic. Money. When I talk money, I love it. Yeah. I love talking money. It's an interesting one. So tip number 7 on how to save money. Whew. I know you're waiting for it. You know what it is? You've tried every number 1 to 6 and you still can't save up. It's to get a side hustle. It helps. Get a second job or a part-time job. It helps. And if you're the type that you don't like working more than one job, I'll say get more degrees or more certification course. You know, the more degrees you have or the more certified you are in a field, the higher you earn. I don't know if that makes sense to you. Say, for example, you studied accounting while in college or in the university, and you went further by having this CPA or becoming a CPA. You know, you guys are making money in that field when you're when you are a certified CPA. Okay. Another good example is you went to school to study journalist, your major is in journalism, and you took a step further to get another certification in that same journalism. You don't tell me you're still going to be earning the same thing. No. That certification is going to push you higher. Like whenever they see your resume, what they will be offering you will be like mouth-watering. Yeah. So if you don't want to get a side hustle or get another job, best is get another degree, keep studying, you earn more, and you save. All right. Tip number 8 on how to save money. Easy way to save money. Fast way to save money. Tip number 8 is stay focused. It's not easy to wake up and say you want to start saving money. Yeah. I'm not going to come here and tell you it's easy. It requires some level of discipline in you and your ability to stay focused. Like, stay focused. This is my target. I'm going to hit my target and probably surpass this target. Have the mindset in you and stay focused. When you say you want to save money for the first time, that is when you start seeing some nice stuff that you probably don't even need. But you just stay focused on achieving your goal. Your goal for saving could be a long time, like I said in the beginning. It could be a short time. a short time like you want to buy a phone and you don't want to pay, every monthly payment plan and all that. You want to pay outrightly. So you save up and walk into the store, get yourself your phone, and no monthly stuff. Yeah. So stay focused. It's definitely going to help you. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. I am only sharing tips that have helped me and still helping me to save money. Okay, people. All right, like you all know on this channel, I love to keep it brief, short, direct, simple. All right, don't forget to like my channel, subscribe to my channel, and share my video. Let me know what you'd like us to talk about next. Remember, my channel, your show. All right, leave me a comment below. If you have other means of savings that I don't know, I'm open to learning. I want to learn because we got to save some money this year. Yeah, some Benjamins got to be saved. All right, until I catch you in my next video, do not forget, do what makes you happy. It's all about you. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye. Ciao, ciao. Au revoir. Adios, beautiful, lovely people.